Hey guys, I'm Holli Mostella and I'm so excited to collaborate with my favorite epoxy company, Counterculture, to show you guys some of my favorite things mixed with some brand new products to give you the perfect collaboration box. Let's see what's inside. I hope you guys enjoy this collaboration as much as I did making it for you. You can get this collection at counterculturediy.com and be sure to tag us with hashtag HolliLovesCCDIY so that we can see and share your projects to our social media.